Welcome to the 40th British Car Day here at Bronte Creek Provincial Park, a celebration of ingenuity, style, and more than a century of motoring drama. Britain's automotive story begins in the 1890s when Frederick William Lanchester built one of the first British petrol-driven, four-wheeled cars, laying the foundation for a homegrown industry. From those early workshops sprang names that are now shorthand for British motoring. Earliest days Daimler and Lanchester, and later icons such as luxury and craftsmanship Rolls-Royce and Bentley. Sporting flair Jaguar and Aston Martin, charm and accessibility Mini and MG, and rugged capability Land Rover. These brands shaped design, engineering and lifestyle for generations, and many have survived consolidation, foreign ownership and reinvention to remain beloved on show fields like this one. A heartfelt thank you goes to the Toronto Triumph Club, which presents and organizes this annual gathering. Their dedication has built British Car Day into one of North America's premier displays of British motoring heritage and keeps the community vibrant for enthusiasts young and old. Here in Canada, British car culture remains strong. Thousands of enthusiasts maintain and restore classic models, sourcing parts from the UK, the US and Europe. That's why trade policy headlines matter even to events like this. Recent U.S. tariff measures under Section 232 and Canada's own 25% counter tariffs on certain U.S. auto parts that don't meet USMCA rules have raised costs and tightened supply for items such as engines, brake systems, body panels and trim. Those added costs and longer lead times ripple right into the classic car world, influencing restoration budgets, part availability and even which cars are brought across the border to Canadian shows. At the same time, new arrangements between the US and EU to reduce tariffs on European cars and parts offer some relief for British markets sold into North America, a small but welcome sign for collectors who depend on transatlantic trade. Today, as we walk among these gleaming examples of Britain's automotive legacy, we're not just looking back at history, we're seeing a living, evolving culture that continues to adapt to new realities while keeping its heritage alive on Canadian roads and show fields.
Look at the shape of the lights.
Oh, yes, right.
No one you can save that can't be saved. Need is love. All you need is love. Love is all you need.
Things are green. Green. Okay.
Таку я чуть в продажі досить дешево була колоном в 97 році. Напевно.
The longest bit?
to his, I was such an enthusiast that they would self-prepare. Yeah. When I told them what I wanted to do, so I have an how much I don't like it. Yeah. You know? I like the wheels to match. You know? I like that shit. Yeah. Right. Well, it's a very
like nothing you can buy that.
Maybe that's partly why it's just not in anything.
No, I don't make a picture yet. Oh, Boston. Yeah. That's two of these.
More time under them, I think.
And if you're still hungry, Irish baked goods, classic cones, country boy, lemonade stand, burgers, hot dogs.
Is this so much? So you can see that other car.
Yeah.
Closer she reach as I enter into a spot that she stands lost for to breathe. Stop, stop, stop all the dancing or I'll have to leave.
Hi, Mom.
Yep. Even a Bolton one, I'd take a Bolton one, but it's track one. Probably something.